bought a tractor! Woohoo! Here's our tractor in motion. Here's a Kubota. So we're getting all official with our land, getting the tractor. Look out the window.
What? Wait, we bought a tractor?
We bought a tractor!
Oh my goodness! Yes, we bought a tractor!
We bought a tractor!
Oh my goodness! Yeah!
Let's go outside.
Oh my goodness.
Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you backing it up?
Yeah.
Here, let's walk back here. Oh yeah.
Keep watching. There's more great stuff to this video. And don't forget to
Subscribe!
To keep up with the videos we post weekly.
I can't believe we have a tractor. This is so exciting. Yeah. What do you think?
I think this is perfect.
See, we had something planned this morning. We just didn't tell you. We got hats in the house too. They gave us hats for everybody.
Oh yeah, I saw.
How far you?
There it goes off the trailer. There's our tractor.
Can you raise this up?
Is it unlocked?
Yes. How do you feel? Reach your legs.
Short people.
Reach your legs.
We gotta bring it up a little.
That was
See how cool you look in your hat.
it was like
Get the Kubota hat
that
on.
was like scary for me. That was scary sounding.
Yeah, it was getting ready, revved up.
This is what we really need on our car.
I know, now
And we have it.
And now we have it.
This is insane.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
And ring that notification bell.
Ding!